This is our long list which we just created with Dart and Flutter with a few lines of code. So we made this application in our last video, and now we want to learn how to make list in the Flutter application. So for this I want to make the application clean. I am removing this floating action button and I am saving the file. The action button is gone. I am deleting this code and I'm writing list view, and inside the list view we have children array in which we can pass multiple rows, multiple items. We call them list tile. Inside a list tile there are pretty cool things, like we have a title of the list which is some text. Hello, I am title. I'm gonna save this file to see the output. This is the list, and then I want to add some more items here. These are 3 items in my list, and then so let's say we want to buy some grocery from the store, and we want to make a list for that. For this I am going to write here oil and then flour and some milk. Save this file. We have this list, updated list here. And if you want to add an icon here on the left hand side of the list, we have this leading here, leading, and then write icon, round brackets, icons dot. We have so many icons here which you can use by pressing Control space. I am using the star icon. Save this. We have star with the oil, and we want to add it for the flour and the milk as well. Keep the code formatted, save the file. We have the icons. You can use other icons as well. I'm using here cloud. Let's see what we get. We have cloud circle. Let's try this icon. We have this icon here, and then if you want and if you want to show something on the right side of the list item, you can use the trailing. We have trailing here, and in the trailing you can just use this code and you can write favorite. If you want to show some icon on the right hand side, you can use any icon you like. Let's say we want to add this favorite icon, so this product is our favorite. And then you can also use the subtitle, and then in the subtitle you can write anything here, some text here, and this will display right after the oil. Just copy these 2 things and then paste on the other lists item and then save the file. Okay, so this is our awesome list. Very simple, very decent. The code looks clean as well. And if you want to do some actions when I click on this list, you can write here on tap, round brackets, curly brackets. Here you can navigate to some other page, or you can print something here, oil. Same for the flour and milk. Right here milk, right here flour. Save this file and open the terminal. Go to the debug console, clear everything from here and press on this oil. We have this oil here, flour, we have flour, and milk, we have milk here. So this is our simple list. Let's say you want to make a long list. Okay, you want to add a long list. So for this you can do this by deleting this stuff and then Flutter have a default list builder. Write a list view dot builder and then round brackets. Inside the round brackets we have to specify how many items we want to show. Let's make a list here. Write final items equal to list, and this list is going to be for some strings. Write string and then dot generate and then round bracket, write 10,000 or any other number you like. And here we are using shorthand code for defining a function, and here write item, and we have this $i. So this is a one-line function in Flutter. You can write functions this way. So this means that we are generating 10,000 items in this list. Copy this variable and go down below here, and here write item count, and we have to specify how many items we want to create. So we want to create the items dot length, that means 10,000. we just create here the list, and we want to create a list for 10,000 items. And then here we can add item builder. In the item builder we have two main parameters, one is the context and the other is index. And here we have to return some list style. Inside the list style we have to show a title, and text is item index. Alright, so items index. Okay, great. And then we can also show some icons here. We can also show leading and then icons dot star. Save this file, and we can see a list of 10,000 items, and you see how fluent it is. And the great thing about Flutter is that it loads the list item on demand. So that means if we have 10,000 items in a list, it does not load all the 10,000 items at once. It loads the items on demand. So if we scroll down, it loads the item one by one.